Okay, let's see how you did. Practice problem 1, what's the equation? So I'm going to find my y-intercept. It's here, and it's a positive 7. Now I'm going to find my slope. They gave me points to use, which is great. Looking at this line, this is a negative sloping line, so I'm going to go ahead and put a minus right here. And then I'm going to count how far down do I go to get from the first point to the next. So I go down 1, 2, 3. So that's a negative 3. And then my denominator is how far to the right I go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. 4. So now I'm plugging into the equation y equals mx plus b. Now that I have m and I have b, I'm just going to rewrite it as y equals m is negative 3/4, x is still there, b is positive 7. So that is the equation of this line. Practice problem 2, now I need to graph it. So I have the equation, I'm going to graph it. Same thing, find the y-intercept, it's negative 4, put it on the graph. Find the slope, it's 2/5, it's positive, that means go up 2 and right 5. Where do I start? From the y-intercept. So from this negative 4, I'm going to go up 2 and to the right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's where I put my point. And then do it again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Takes me all the way to the end. Connect the points. Draw your arrows. Last one, this is a multiple choice like you might see on an exit ticket. So which equation matches the graph? Do the same thing. Find the y-intercept. On this graph, the y-intercept is here at negative 3. Cross off the answer choices that have the wrong y-intercept. So it's negative 3, so it might be choice A, but it can't be choice 2 because that said it was a positive 2. The rest of them all have negative 3, so I can't cross anything else out. Now, I'm just going to look at the sign of my slope. Is my slope positive or negative? This is a positive sloping line, so I'm going to cross out any answer choices that have a negative slope, and that's choice C, right? It's a negative 2/3. So now I need to figure out, is the slope 2/3 or is it 3/2? So to get from this point to this point, how far up do I go? 1, 2, 3. And then the denominator is how far to the right? 1, 2. Why do I keep doing that? 2. So the slope is 3/2, not 2/3. So choice D is the equation of this line. We're going to do 3 more practice problems until you're ready for your exit ticket.